Welcome to the AI Chronicle, your daily AI news briefing. Before we dive in, if you find this valuable, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Here are today's top AI stories. Hot off the wire, why coding darling Replit just tripled its valuation to a jaw-dropping $9 billion in only 6 months. The platform's Agent 4 release delivers 10 times speed improvements with multi-agent workflows, and it now counts over 40 million users including teams at 85% of Fortune 500 companies. With a $1 billion ARR target in sight, this is the clearest signal yet that AI-native software development has crossed from experiment to enterprise staple. Switching gears to India, DeepTek just won the India National Cancer CATCH Grant 2026, announced March 28 at the IndiaAI Impact Summit. Its Augmento radiology platform is set to deploy directly at Tata Memorial Hospital, one of Asia's largest cancer centers. The CATCH program is designed to embed AI into real oncology environments, and this win shows India's sovereign AI mission is moving well beyond policy papers into actual patient care. Over at the enterprise voice arena, ElevenLabs and IBM dropped a major collaboration this week, bringing premium voice capabilities straight into IBM's WatsonX Orchestrate platform. This isn't a small move. The global voice AI market just crossed $22 billion in 2026, with the voice agents segment alone projected to hit $47.5 billion by 2034. For enterprises building agentic workflows, owning the voice layer is quickly becoming table stakes. Meanwhile, at the Boao Forum for Asia annual conference, a landmark report declared that global AI development is experiencing a pronounced shift eastward, with Asia rapidly evolving from AI follower to frontrunner. China alone now boasts over 6,200 AI companies and a core AI industry worth over 1.2 trillion yuan. For global AI watchers, this isn't just data, it's a direct challenge to the vast assumption that Silicon Valley sets the pace. On the business side, Hyderabad-based Deccan AI just closed a $25 million growth round led by a 91 partners, with SIG and Process Ventures co-investing. The startup builds high-accuracy AI systems for enterprises and frontier model labs. What makes this deal stand out is who's backing it. A 91 SIG and Process don't write checks on hype. This round is a strong signal that India's AI investor community is firmly pivoting toward depth, execution, and real enterprise ROI. In a surprising twist from Europe, SAP and healthcare giant Fresenius have announced a strategic collaboration to build a sovereign AI platform specifically designed for hospitals. The goal is a secure, controlled environment for processing sensitive medical data, addressing the governance gap that has kept AI out of clinical production systems for years. As EU AI Act high-risk rules loom in August, this partnership could define what compliant healthcare AI actually looks like in practice. Breaking from India's startup scene, the Google-Accel Atoms Accelerator has picked just 5 startups out of over 4,000 applications, making this one of the most competitive AI cohorts in the country. Critically, 70% of the rejected pitches were dismissed as AI wrappers, tools that layered chatbots on existing software without reimagining workflows. Winners like Cadence and Dodge.ai get $2 million in funding plus $350K in compute credits, directly tied into Google DeepMind's model improvement flywheel. Over at NVIDIA, Jensen Huang has declared that the ChatGPT moment for robotics is officially here. NVIDIA just dropped new open physical AI models on Hugging Face, designed so developers can skip expensive pre-training and jump straight to building reasoning robots. The full-stack Jetson processors, Cosmos, and Isaac now empowers a global ecosystem of partners to transform industries with AI-driven robotics. If this plays out like the LLM revolution, we are at the very beginning of a massive wave. And finally, China's 15th five-year plan, covering 2026 to 2030, has unveiled some of the most aggressive AI goals ever codified in national policy. The plan explicitly targets the commanding heights of science and technology, including AI, with military-civil fusion mandates and a computing infrastructure strategy already deploying across Southeast Asia. Analysts at The Diplomat warn this outpaces current Western export controls. For global AI governance, this plan may matter more than any single model release. In a major move that flew under the radar, OpenAI's GPT 5.4 has officially surpassed human performance on the Oswald V desktop productivity benchmark, scoring 75% versus the human baseline of 72.4. The model features a 1 million token context window and native computer use skills. It can navigate software interfaces, fill forms, and manipulate documents autonomously. That's not a chatbot. That's a digital coworker, and the implications for enterprise automation are enormous. That's a wrap on today's AI world. The pace of change in artificial intelligence is extraordinary, and we are here to keep you ahead of it every single day. If today's stories opened your eyes, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment which story surprised you most. See you tomorrow on the AI Chronicle.